Isda. Konnichiwa mga Shinobi and Kunoichi, welcome back to my channel about Ninja World or Naruto World. So for this video is all about Naruto Shippuden episode 5. Nakita natin sa Naruto Shippuden episode 4 kung paano nakuha ni Naruto and Sakura yung bell mula kay Kakashi. And ngayon, pagpapatuloy natin yung laban naman ni Deidara at ni Gaara. So, ito yung sa episode 5, may kita na natin dito yung continuation, yung pinaka lakas ni Deidara and ni Gaara. So, walang paligid-ligid pa, let's do this.
This certainly isn't good.
Ayan na. Yung third eye ni Gaara.
It's all over. Leave it to the Kazekage. Yeah, as long as we have Lord Kazekage, the Sand Village will be fine.
Leave it to Lord Kazekage.
Hold on.
Hold on. Makas pa din. Bomba na naman. Nakatakas na naman. Ang bilis na. Ganda ng ng formation ng sand niya, no? Kasi dyan yung
Sand's a real pain.
mga buhangin dyan. Kasama niya pa si Shukaku or nasa kanya pa yun yung tailed beast na si Shukaku, yung one-tailed
What an
Jinchuriki.
idiot. There isn't a man alive who could escape Gaara's sand. I never dreamed I'd go down because of this.
Nakuha na yung bell.
I should have just gone ahead and finished it.
What are you even wasting your time with that for? It's the most boring book ever. But it was such a snooze fest, I didn't make it past page 10. So, I couldn't have spoiled it for you.
Sinungaling si Naruto pa.
Even though Naruto didn't know the ending, we figured just the mention of make-out tactics would be enough to freeze you in your tracks.
Galing ang...
Pretty good strategy, huh?
Naisahan ka, Kakashi.
You two have certainly demonstrated some growth.
Fifo Kage.
Oh, milady!
Malady.
Is there anything you'd like to say?
Well, they did a great job getting hold of those bells, so...
Why? What are you guys talking about?
Well, we've been discussing what your status will be in the future, Naruto.
What our status will be?
Naruto Uzumaki,
Yeah.
speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Sakura Haruno.
Yes, ma'am.
Milady!
You two are a team again, along with your old sensei. From this day on, you'll be Team Kakashi.
Yung Kakashi na ulit.
Team Kakashi?
That sounds pretty cool. So what will we be doing then? What's the scoop?
It means we'll be going on all of our missions together. You and I will be peers now.
Kakasama na
That's
sila.
the long and the short of it. The days of sensei and student are past. We're Leaf Shinobi on equal ground. Got it?
Got it.
Oh yeah, 110%.
Galing. So let me clarify about this, guys. Yun nga, si Naruto and si Sakura, Kakashi, and Sasuke, sila yung Team 7 dati, noong mga bata pa sila, 'di ba? Kasi pag graduate ng academy, kailangan may sensei sila or may kasama sila. So yung kasama nga nila, yung pinaka-teacher nila, si Kakashi. So ngayon, wala na si Sasuke, pero nagbalik sila. Kasama naman nila ngayon si Kakashi lang, pero si Naruto at saka Sakura lang yung kasama ng team. Pero equally na sila, hindi na sila yung student and master relationship. They're all equally Leaf Shinobi. Yun pa rin. Deidara
Kokoro.
eh.
Yeah, what is it?
Yun yung sensei nila
Where
dati.
is Lord Gara? Is he still in battle?
Lord Gaara.
Yes. He's up there.
Saya nyo ah. Saya. Saya ang dalawa. Lord Gaara. Ito na yata yung ano yung kamay niya yan, alam ko eh. So, di ba? Kamay nga yan. Ang bagal, Gaara. Dati ang bilis. So yun, kaya bagal pala siya kasi syempre ina-widespread niya yung buhangin sa ano katawan ni Deidara. Sensitive. Hindi nasira. Taray ka ngayon. Ano na? Dugo.
He did it! He got out!
Nanood na yung mga tao sa village. Oh.
Darn, he's gotten away. He just got lucky.
Mm.
It won't happen again.
It won't happen again.
He's good, all right. Oh, yeah. I get it. The sand he used to crush my arm is faster and more powerful than ordinary sand from the desert. According to our information, he always carries around a fixed amount of it with him. So it stands to reason that sand is different.
Oh.
Infused with a large amount of chakra, probably. That's his go-to for quick defense. And the source
Kaya
of all his
pala.
lightning-fast attacks.
Oh. Gets.
Did they call it again?
So, ayun naman guys, nakita natin ngayon dito yung pag ano ng buhangin, yung pag-describe ni Deidara dun, o analyze niya dun sa buhangin na sa likod ni Gaara. Ngayon ko lang din na-realize yun, kala ko kasi unlimited yung buhangin ni Gaara sa likod. Yung pala, ibig sabihin nun, yun yung na-infuse niya na chakra and mas kontrolado niya, kaya mas mabilis niya makontrol yung mga buhangin na nasa likod niya. Kaya nakakagawa agad siya ng barrier o mabilis yung pagkilos ito, pag-control ni Gaara dahil yun yung mismong power o yung may chakra na naka-infuse doon na ginawa ni Gaara.
Now I remember. The ultimate defense.
The ultimate defense.
So that's the Sand Village's ultimate defense. I've only got a little clay left.
Only little clay left.
And my specialty,
Oh
of
my God.
course.
Nakalimutan ko yung tawag dyan, C3 or C5. Basta sa mga laro kasi, yung pala yung ginagamit ko, yung pinakakapangyarihan ni Deidara. Nanonood yung mga tao sa village eh. Siyempre nakikita mo yung pinaka-leader o yung Kashikage, o yung Hokage, ganun. Siyempre talagang yung responsibility nila is to protect the village. Yun talaga yun.
Black cloak with a red cloud pattern. Judging by the garb that he's in, the enemy our lord is fighting against is most likely a member of the Akatsuki.
Akatsuki.
Yeah, I figured. Kokoro. What is it?
Wow.
Gaara's resorted to his ultimate defense up there. I think it's safe to assume this enemy he's facing is a serious threat.
Serious threat yan. Akatsuki yan eh.
We can't rule out the possibility of Gaara losing control. The Shukaku could be unleashed. Our people will be in danger. You don't have to worry about that. Gaara,
Ayun, mga bata pa sila yan.
I don't want to say this, but you know how they see you. You're a weapon of terror.
Actually, lahat ng mga Jinchuriki ganun talaga. They are the weapon for the village.
Seriously, Leaving us and joining the regular troops is not going to be an easy thing. They're full of Jonin who think pretty poorly of you. And most of the villagers, they're as terrified of you as they've always been.
Ganun talaga yung mga tingin ng mga tao sa Jinchuriki. Alam na nila yun.
I've always known that doing nothing at all will almost certainly bring even greater pain. I know what I must do. I must clear my own path. And perhaps then, the day'll come.
Wow.
The day will come when I can be like him. I want to be part of this village, so I'm aiming for the title of Kazekage as a shinobi of the sand.
Galing.
I will work hard and connect to the people of this village. Watching Naruto Uzumaki has brought me clarity.
Naruto Uzumaki talaga yung pinaka nagdala sa kanya sa brightness talaga eh.
Ties to others brought only pain and sorrow. But he was always pushing me to redefine those ties. I think I finally understand the suffering and sadness of life. The joy. These are feelings that can be shared with those around me.
Ang galing. Those Jinchurikis talaga yung pinaka nakaka-realize kung ano yung real pain sa mga sarili nila. Kung ano yung mga sakit.
Uzumaki. He's the whole reason my eyes have opened. When we fought, we connected. He's known the same pain I have, and he taught me. I can change the path my life will follow. One day, Conqueror, I'd like to become something precious to others too. Not just to be viewed as some hideous weapon. But as the Sand's next Kazekage.
Wow. Goosebumps. Galing.
Your people do need you. You are the Kazekage of the Hidden Sand.
Well, what can I say? Maybe I finally surpassed you, Sensei.
Yeah, like that would ever happen.
Let's see, Sakura. Let's see. Ano would never happen.
Quite yet. In fact, just the other day I worked out this unbelievable new jutsu. Let me tell you, you gotta see it to believe it.
Gutom na naman.
Oh man, I forgot. I haven't had a bowl of ramen from Ichiraku since I got back.
Now that you mention it, I'm starving after last night's challenge, actually.
Say no more. Next up, Ichiraku ramen.
Gutom.
I miss the cute little newbies who used to react with wonder at everything I said and did.
Wala na matured na yung mga estudyante niya.
Yes, we're here for the Lord Kazekage.
We are here for the Lord Kazekage.
Hang in there.
Grabe, kinikilabutan ako.
Friends are about to butt in here. I'm tired of that expressionless face of yours.
Man, ang laki niyan.
Chewed up by my palm and loaded with chakra. It's a specialty of mine, full of C3.
Yun, C3 pala. Kala ko C5. Kala ko road dito eh.
Destructive power is my masterpiece.
Destructive power.
It's big. We better move.
What the heck?
Everyone, get back!
Get back, guys.
Late.
Oy, 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 oy. Nakalimutan ko na to. Oh! So, ayun guys, hanggang dun lang ulit yung episode 5. Kasi nakalimutan ko na talaga and syempre naalala ko ibang scene, pero ito, bitin na naman, nakakabitin. So next episode na naman tayo magkikita-kita. By the way guys, yun nga nakita na natin dito kung gaano or na-analyze na nga ni Deidara yung kapangyarihan ni Gaara. Yung nasa likod niya, kung ano nga ba yung connection na nag-i-infuse, ganon. Then, na-realize din natin dito na kaya naging Kazekage si Gaara because he wants to be part of the village. Gusto niya maging parte nito and gusto niya ma-recognize siya na hindi siya hideous monster or hindi siya hideous weapon for the village, na hindi lang siya Jinchuriki at hindi lang siya isang taong may monster sa loob niya. Kasi diba sinasabi nga yung mga Jinchuriki, sila yung mga may tailed beast o yung mga monster na tinatawag. So, lahat ng mga Jinchuriki nakatakutan sila, including Naruto and Gaara. So, yun na-realize si Gaara na talagang gusto niya maging part of the village. Naranasan niya na lahat ng sakit and ayaw niya na ulit itong mananasan pa and gusto niya na nagkakaisa yung village nang dahil sa kanya. So, hanggang dun lang muna tayo guys. For the next episode, wait natin yung pinaka-final na laban ni Gaara and Deidara. And I think matatapos na to. So, ayun, hanggang dun lang tayo. Like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell button para mas aware kayo, updated kayo sa mga ganap na Naruto Shippuden o Naruto World sa channel ko. So, wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Date bayo!